Last time we have to see the cyclic photophosphorylation, non-cyclic photophosphorylation, then Kelvin cycle. Then next point of this topic, that is photosynthesis, photorespiration. Photorespiration occurs under the conditions like high temperature, then bright light, high oxygen and low CO2 concentration. In this process, this process is very fast, linked with C3 cycle, where instead of fixation of CO2, it gives out CO2. In C3 cycle, fixation of CO2 takes place, but in photorespiration, it gives out the CO2. In this reaction, in this photorespiration type of respiration, 3 cell organelles are involved, like the chloroplast, peroxisome, mitochondria. It occurs a series of cycle reaches, that is series of cycles, reactions, hence it is called PCO cycle. Reactions occur in this 3 cell organelles, like the chloroplast, peroxisome, and third, that is mitochondria. Chloroplast, peroxisome, mitochondria, in peroxisome there is RUBP, that is fix the or react with O2, that is atmospheric O2. From the atmosphere, it reacts with RUBP and forms phosphoglycolate. And PGA, phosphoglyceric acid, PGA. Here it get converts into, by releasing one inorganic phosphate, that is glyoxylate. Then this glyoxylate suited out, transported to the peroxisome. Transported to peroxisome, glycosylate, then glycosylate again undergoes, that is addition of H2O, hydration converts into glycine. The glycine shooted out, transported to the mitochondria, where the glycine conversion of glycine into serine, where the liberation of CO2, here CO2 is liberated out, and by using here NADH2 is formed. NADH is formed. The serine again back transported to peroxisome, then hydroxypyrate, serine get converts into hydroxypyrate, hydroxypyruvate, then hydroxypyruvate get converts into glycerate, and this glycerate again back transported to the chloroplast, where the here glycine convert into serine amino acid and CO2 is given out, thus loss of 25% of photosynthetically fixed carbon. Serine again transported into peroxisome, and here serine get converts into hydroxypyruvate, then glycerate. The glycerate again back shifted or transported to chloroplast, where the PGA, that is in the chloroplast C3 pathway is carried out. It accepts the PGA, PCR cycle, where 1 ATP is utilized for the conversion of glycerate into PGA, that is ADP is formed. Like this, the photorespiration is occur, where enzyme Rubisco acts as oxygenase at higher concentration of O2 and photorespiration starts. When RUBP reacts with O2 instead of CO2, where RUBP reacts with O2 instead of CO2, You know that in the C3 cycle, there is a fixation of CO2 is takes place, but here instead of fixation of CO2, RUBP reacts with O2, 3 carbon compound PGA and 2 carbon compound phosphoglycolate is formed. Then let it converts into glycolate, which is transported into chloroplast. The series of sequences is completed from chloroplast to peroxisome, mitochondria, and back to the again in chloroplast, where the concentration of CO2 is increases and it is utilizes for the PGA, that is PGA is formed and again RUBP. Likewise, instead of the Kelvin cycle, where the photo respiration is occur, PGA which get utilized in C3 pathway. Here in this way the photo respiration is completed. Then next point, that is C4 pathway has slack and slack both work on the C4 plants, that is on sugarcane and grasses, and found that is carbon compound dicarboxylic acid, first table compound called that is 4 carbon compound dicarboxylic acid, the first stable product of photosynthesis. It has been found to occur in grasses and some other dicotyledon and some important monocotyledonous plants like sugarcane, maize, sorghum, etc. The plants in which CO2 fixation takes place by Kelvin cycle are called C3 plants. Which plants are called C3 plants? Those plants, the fixation of CO2 is takes place in Kelvin cycle are called C3 plants, because first product of CO2 fixation is 3 carbon phosphoglyceric acid, but in C4 pathway first product of CO2 fixation is 4 carbon compound oxaloacetic acid. Hence such plants are called C4 plants. In those plants the 4 carbon compound, that is oxaloacetic acid, is formed, first stable compound, and these plants are called C4 plants. The anatomy of C4 plants is different. It is found like that. Anatomy of C4 plant called Kranz anatomy. The anatomy of C4 plants are called the Kranz anatomy. Here the Kranz anatomy is appear like this. Kranz anatomy is found in leaf of C4 plants. In these plants, there is palisade tissue is absent. There is no palisade tissue. Stomata, mesophyll cells are, instead of palisade tissue, there is mesophyll cells are present and bundle sheath cells around the vascular bundle. Bundle sheath cells are present vascular bundle. Mesophyll cells, spongy mesophyll cells, Kranz anatomy means that is a beaded chain is situated on a neck, that is it appears like a necklace like structure when bundle sheath cells mesophyll cells epidermis stomata, where in anatomy, that is anatomy of leaves of C4 plants, it is different from leaves of C3 plants. C4 plants shows the anatomy called Kranz anatomy. In the leaves of such plants, palisade tissue is absent. There is a bundle sheath cells around the vascular bundle. The chloroplast in the bundle sheath cells are larger. This is vascular bundle. vascular bundle, and in the mesophyll cells, chloroplasts are small but developed grana. Mesophyll cells, chloroplasts are smaller. This is ear space. Ear space. Chloroplast. Smaller chloroplast. Developed grana. Larger chloroplast in the bundle sheath cells. Less in number. Okay, in the bundle sheath cell, chloroplasts are larger, less in number, but grana are less developed. In mesophyll chloroplast, what is the difference between mesophyll chloroplast and bundle sheath chloroplast? In mesophyll chloroplast, chloroplasts are smaller, but grana are developed. But in bundle sheath cells, chloroplasts are larger, grana are less developed or absent. In this way, the anatomy of a C4 plant is found. Then, what about the C4 pathway? C4 pathway, where the CO2 taken from atmosphere is accepted by which compound? That is 3-carbon compound phosphoenol pyruvic acid in the chloroplast of mesophyll cells, leading to formation of 4-carbon compound, that is oxaloacetic acid. Diagrammatically, it shows that like this. In mesophyll cell chloroplast, and bundle sheath cell chloroplast. Mesophyll cell chloroplast smaller in size, larger grana. Bundle sheath cell chloroplast larger in size and less or absent grana, where fixation of CO2 is takes place by phosphoenol pyruvic acid, PEP, that is malate is formed from OAA, that is oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid is formed from the phosphoenol pyruvic acid. PEP, carboxylase enzyme, in presence of enzyme carboxylase, PEP, that is atmospheric CO2. Fixation is takes place. Here phosphoenol pyruvic acid requires 1 ATP forms AMP. From atmosphere, phosphoenol pyruvic acid fixes the CO2 and converts into, that is, oxaloacetic acid. Then this oxaloacetic acid converted into malate or malic acid. This malic acid, by using NADPH, NADP is liberated out. Then this malate transported to in the where in bundle sheath chloroplast. Here concentration of CO2 is increases. Pyruvic acid is formed. Pyruvic acid 3 carbon compound releases CO2 in the cytoplasm. Thus concentration of CO2 increases in the bundle sheath cells, and this released CO2 is accepted by here that is in Kelvin cycle PGA. Liberated CO2 is liberated, and this liberated CO2 is accepted by Kelvin cycle. In the Kelvin cycle, CO2 acceptor is PGA, where pyruvic acid again back transported into bundle sheath cell chloroplast, where in presence of pyruvate phosphate dikinase get converted into phosphoenol pyruvic acid. Pyruvate phosphate dikinase in presence of enzyme pyruvate phosphate dikinase again get converts into the phosphoenol pyruvic acid. Once again, that is C4 pathway. C4 pathway is carried out in C4 plants, where the fixation of CO2, atmospheric CO2 takes place, is accepted by 3 carbon compound phosphoenol pyruvic acid in the chloroplast of mesophyll cells, leading to the formation of 4 carbon compound, that is oxaloacetic acid. Atmospheric CO2 is fixed by phosphoenol pyruvic acid, get converts into oxaloacetic acid in presence of enzyme PEP carboxylase. Then oxaloacetic acid, 4 carbon compound, enzyme PEP को it converts to another 4 carbon compound, that is malic acid, and this malic acid again transported back to bundle sheath cell. This is bundle sheath cell. Bundle sheath cell, and this is mesophyll cell. In this way, the C4 pathway here carried out. Chloroplast of these cells contain enzyme of Calvin cycle because of high concentration of CO2. RUBP carboxylase participates in Calvin cycle and not photophosphorylation, that is photorespiration. Sugar formed in Calvin cycle is transported through the phloem. Pyruvic acid generated in the bundle sheath cells re-enter in mesophyll cells and regenerates the phosphoenol pyruvic acid by consuming one ATP. Since the conversion results in the formation of AMP, not ADP, 2 ATP molecules are required for the formation of AMP, and C4 pathway needs 12 additional ATP. The C3 pathway requires 18 ATP for the synthesis of one glucose molecule, whereas C4 pathway requires 30 ATP. Thus, C4 plants are better photosynthesizer and there is no photorespiration in these plants. Yes? Okay?